You have assigned a different action on the action button or turned off the action button on your iPhone 15 Pro. You must know how to mute or unmute the iPhone without the silence button. For example, I use the action button to turn on torch on my phone. So, in such case, I cannot mute or unmute my phone with this new action button. Hence, unlike an iPad, Apple gives a new setting in the control center to switch between ringer and silent mode. For this, open the control center from the top right corner. With a single tap, you can feel haptic feedback, and the label on the screen says silent mode off or silent mode on, whatever you set up. Unlike the screen rotation button, this button is unmovable on the control panel. I noticed that such activity can't appear on the dynamic island on the top edge of the display. But action button activity is a highlight pop-up in dynamic island. So, you guys, tell me in the comment what action you assign to the action button on your iPhone 15 Pro series smartphone. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.